I'm Victoria Christensen with Agile Dragon Group. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the new features in Dragon Pack Audit version 5, the ability to compare users by profile. So I've logged into my tenant, I've opened my burst, and I'm going to go to security. From security, here I'm going to select the dashboard to compare my users. So my user profile comparison. So this has some really cool features that we've added. So now we are able to look for a master user, right? So I'm going to click for my profile. So I'm going to I'm going to look for my master user for audit, okay? And I'm going to select apply, and it's going to update my filters. So now you'll be able to see we have our current Kono, right? My master profile user, which is a set up user that we're using to create our own, basically a template to create new users. This date is the date range for this comparison. So this will only, if you only want to see it based on the end of last year, when we click on this date, right, we can change that date to the end of last year, and then you'll be able to compare those changes if there weren't, or if there are any, accordingly. So if we remove our date filter, we're going to get all of those records. So right now we have our master user, right? And now when I select my users, right, you'll see that there are 3 users that are selected. So these users have the same profile as my master user, okay? We also now have the ability to look only by a certain function. If you want to search by their function, you can always use your lasso inside of your inside of the filter here, or on your report. And the other wonderful thing is now we have the ability to compare what is the same or what is different, or to see all of our records. So currently we see all of our records. So if we only want to see the differences, we can change that filter, and you'll see down here, right, we'll have, when we look at our users for this function, for SA, right, same profile, so they all have a profile of audit, right? My master user is the user that this user was created from, right? So my current user security for this user is 4. The master profile has a version of 5, so they are not the same. When we go and look at the dates here, you'll be able to identify during this time range, right? This may have when it was changed. So this is our current record, right? On 1/2/2025, it was changed. Okay, you can see that Victoria made that change, and it was during this duration when it was different. So you can export these, you can create notifications so that you can identify, so that you get maybe a monthly notification of changes to security. What a very easy way that we can do that. So create a notification, we'll go through, you can select to do it monthly on the 1st, and right, it applies your filters that are in your report. So you'll get your Kono, your profile, and the security changes that are here. So you'll be able to only get the differences on a monthly basis. This is just one of the many awesome things that we've added to the new version of Audit. Come back, find out more, or look for us in the Dragon Den.